this thing.
Hold your jock here.
Nice. What'd you do with the WD-40?
Right here.
Okay, there we go.
Do you need a clap?
Oh yeah, go ahead and clap, Craig. Good job. Come on.
Dead battery? Silly batteries. Why do they discharge?
I don't like it when it's cold.
That couldn't have happened at a better time.
Yeah. It's about like the chainsaw battery I pulled out.
Seriously?
I'm totally dead. $20.25. Cords.
Good point.
Oh.
You need it. We can take that. I'm sorry, I lifted up on that a little bit.
No, it's not the
Come down a
problem.
little bit?
I just need to get the fucking thing off.
Oh, the bolt out? Okay.
Here, let me show you.
I think you're good. I think you're good.
I just need this bolt to fucking loosen. Holy fuck. What is going on here?
Toss my other end there.
You know, Diamond Harbor Freight had magnetic battery or light holder deals. So is that meant to kind of like mildly resurface the interior?
Yeah,
Making sure there's no burrs.
It's just the lightest of lightest cleaning. That's the approach we're using here currently, right or wrong.
I also want to check, like, everything's good there. Not feeling anything around the edge here. Not feeling anything. Not feeling anything. Okay.
It's like it was meant to go in.
Holy shit. Dude, that's
Fucking
I don't
money,
think
dude.
we're gonna need the wood, Craig. Like, that thing went in fucking like a glove.
Yeah. You have the next
Yeah, I have the next one in there.
Okay.
Nice.
Man, I cannot believe.
Fuck, you should put all of them in there like that, dude.
And everything-
Fucking-
So that's what I'm. Yeah.
Oh
I mean,
yeah.
It's flush. It went all the way. It's seated in.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
So
That thing,
we got one in.
Nice.
Yes, YouTube. We don't know what the fuck we're doing, so
dry ice.
we're just making it happen here.
Dry
This
ice.
is basically just lubrication. It worked. Yeah, that went in way better. Okay, Craig.
This one's going back in?
Yeah, you have a glove.
Yeah, I've got one.
Use a glove.
It'll burn you like a cold fire.
Oh, it will burn you.
Fuck yeah.
Give me that hammer. This? Yeah. No, the 3-pound sledge.
Big,
Right there, standing up. That one.
big fuckers. Oh shit.
That one broke.
Too cold.
No, it's just, that's part of the process. Like,
I'll break it out later.
And we'll break it out later. That was... Okay, maybe we should be using wood.
Probably was gonna break.
Yeah, that just sucks. That means... That one went in so easy that...
Yeah.
Well, how long did you have that first one in the cooler?
It doesn't matter. Like, it just is what it is.
I mean, you know, it's gonna make it brittle.
Not that brittle. It's only... God damn it. That sucks. Well, I guess I'll have to buy another one.
Okay.
I knew it was gonna... I figured it was gonna happen, like...
Well, don't let this deter us from cylinder.
No,
3
we're gonna
and 4.
get these done, like...
Go. We're gonna go.
Another $50.
$50 per sleeve?
Yep.
What?
They ain't cheap, dude.
Jesus Christ, man.
Okay, let's try it. Which really sucks is that the piston is something matched to the sleeves, so
Well, we can take care of that one.
Yeah, maybe something that'll give you a little less direct impact.
there it is. Okay, give me that piece of wood, Kerry. We're gonna use wood on this one.
Okay. All right.
Fuse some of the. Check.
Did something fly off there, or was that wood?
No, a little something right here.
Okay.
A little flap.
Stop. Stop. I gotta switch positions.
What do you mean you have to switch positions here?
Good. Get in there.
Nice.
Once
Man,
you
I
start
can't-
bouncing like that,
I
like...
can't believe that was so brittle.
Yeah, I know. I don't think...
Or like it got off. Maybe it got off like.
yeah, I may have got it off kilter or
Yeah,
something.
right.
But like I was telling you earlier, if you've done this once, you're gonna break shit. Like,
Yeah, I heard old timers talking about that. They'd have a spare in case they broke.
yeah, that's fine. I mean, we'll get this other one out, and it won't be that.
What
big
the
a
hell?
deal.
I'm an old timer.
Yeah, don't talk so bad about yourself.
Yeah. It's not my fault.
You know,
It happens.
You know, like
it does happen.
this is like fucking deer hunting. Like if you haven't injured a deer, you haven't hunted. Well, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's gonna happen.
You're gonna miss every once in a while.
Man, that is a motherfucker right there.
Yeah, it's,
How do you're just gonna have to like get the
well, and I don't
chisel
know.
or
I may
something.
not have had it
like kind of got
in quite right when I did it the first time.
kind of got lucky on the first one, and then
Yeah.
is that shimmy?
Oh,
Yeah, no. So put it up sideways if you can.
yeah, I gotta work around a whole bunch of shit. That one's
good.
3 out of 4 ain't bad.
Man, I wish you could have a take back.
Yeah, me too.
You know, like I feel like you're like, just
Well.
restart it.
Now you're gonna get to see how I remove them.
$50 sleeve, huh?
Yeah, they're not cheap.
So this is what's the material here? It's like
It's steel, I believe.
No, these are.
God,
They're not steel?
it looks like steel.
No, they're cast iron. Oh no, they are. Okay.
Chinesian baby. That is Harbor Freight
Well.
special.
Get out of the way. Sorry.
This
No, you're good now. You're fine now.
this whole day wearing eye protection to get blasted by a fucking piston sleeve.
Man, that's some impressive cross hatching on there.
Where is my?
Impressive. Well, we know what this is destined for.
Browns.
Yeah.
Come on. It's not peeling like the old one.
I'd imagine that material probably behaves differently after it's been inside the head for so long, you know, and the block. There it is. Well, that's a bitch.
Yep.
Fucking 3 out of 4.
3 out of 4. Okay,
Okay.
well, that ain't bad. Like,
No.
well, whatever.
Man.
It is what it is.
Sucks.
It does suck, but hey, shit happens, man. And to be brutally honest, I expected to break one.
Yeah.
Like, I expected to break one. I think really what happened there was I should have, this one went in so easy, I was overconfident. And I think
hitting too hard. Or
I don't think it was quite in like
Oh yeah, it wasn't
level.
square.
Yeah. But everything's fine.
They're
Like,
kinda shit, yeah.
These other 3 look good. Like,
Yeah, I mean,
They're
this was like a minimal number
Yeah.
of hits too, man. Where you,
yeah, that thing just slid in, man. Like,
yeah, nah,
I mean, it is what it is. Like, okay, I kind of
you know,
sort of expected it. So,
well, you know, if we also hadn't, you know, probably.
yeah. But I probably had drinking 18 beers today.
I was gonna say.
Me and you were talking about last night, Craig. I halfway expected to break one.
Yeah.
I think what happened is this one went in super fast, made me overconfident, and then I don't think this one was. I should have hit it with my hand first to
Maybe.
make sure it was seated. I don't think it was going in
It
straight.
was just like barely off
Yeah.
kilter, you know.
These 3 are fine.
Yeah, like they're level. They're sitting.
Yeah.
They're sitting flush. Like that's you want them flush or just below the line.
Right.
And these 3 are good. Just fucked up on that one, which is fine. Like now I can buy a new one and we'll put it in there, and this will be the one that we have to check the rings and stuff on to make sure it's good.
Right.
Because I'm pretty sure the way they sold these is the rings and everything is done.
I agree. Nice cross hatching.
So
Sweet.
we'll revisit that next time, I guess.
Nice.